My mind is open, but it's hard to think when all it was closed. It's probably time I come to terms that I'm in love with a ghost. Fuck that, move on. When all you left was a note. You're here, you're gone. I always end up alone. My insecurities are why I never asked you for help. Guess I was scared that you'd get over me for somebody else. But this pack of 24's got me down on my knees.
I feel like I don't know how to vlog properly when I'm going out. I thought I could, but once I go out, then I usually do forget that I'm vlogging. Or I just focus solely on Instagram, on TikTok. I can't find my other brush. I just focus solely on Instagram. I'm on TikTok rather, and I don't vlog at all, which is so upsetting. Because yesterday I had the intention to vlog. Like, I feel like I don't vlog really outside. I know I rarely do go out because of my work time and everything. So yesterday that I was opportuned to finally go out, I didn't vlog much, but it's fine. Anyways, welcome back to my vlog. I feel like I wanted to say something and I forgot to. Like, bro, yeah, today I'm leaving extremely early. Like, it's till 7 at the moment. And I'll be following Favor to work. That's just why I'm going early. She's now driving. Yeah, Favor is driving now. So she's going to drive me to work and like to cut costs. That's the reason why I'm leaving early. If not, bro, this is too early. My work resumes by which time? Bro, sorry for the break in that transmission. My phone's storage finished again. But I'm already used to this. And I don't have time for this at all. I wanted to apply gloss. Jesus Christ, I can't even know. I don't even know if I'm in frame or not. I plan on taking down my braids today. Hopefully I have the time to do so. But if I don't, then I'll be so sad. Well, if I don't, I'll go to the salon on Thursday. If I have the time to braid my hair today as well, I'll be so happy as well. I plan on doing this style. I'm not obsessed. Me and these styles, we are hooked. I'm obsessed with this style. Like, it's just so versatile, so easy to put on, like literally everything. I packed in my leave-in conditioner. Let me just use regular conditioner. It's in my bag and I don't want to scatter the bag now. I think I'll just leave my hair down. I know it does not look good down, but bruh, I don't care.
Got me down on my knees, pouring over in the morning. All I'm saying is please help me out.
What do you guys think about this food? Are you sure?
Hold me down.
It's not that one's good.
Help me out. There's a part of me.
No, what's wrong with me?
You have to run all the memories. CPR instead of the time for the size of your
African food, I swear.
for you.
Yeah.
You could understand.
No, this is not wig. These are full hair. Natural hair. It's still mesmerized by your hair. She's beautiful.
Guys, I am so in a hurry. Like, I'm hurrying, but I just wanted to talk to you guys before leaving because I know that I'll not be able to talk to you guys again. I'll be meeting Favor again and I'm leaving early as always, but I find this, I plan on making my hair today. I want to do sewing. I wanted to allow my hair to rest, but I'm not really a weak person. That's why that is why I want to do sewing. I'm not braiding any extension on my hair. I'm just doing sewing so that my hair will just rest inside the sewing and the ribbon rather. And yeah, that's it. Let me show you guys the full fit though. I feel like I have made these glasses my personality now, and I don't wait for stay. I've made these glasses my personality now, and I don't really like it. Like in the sense that I don't want people to always know me for the glasses, but I don't know. I feel like I just like the glasses just make it look 10 times better. So I guess I have to. But anyways, I'm heading out now. Bye.
my faith in dollar bills. One can say I wasn't here, or drunk enough to cover up the day. Watch the singles fight the time as they try desperately to find a body warm enough to keep the night alive. There's ancient movies on the wall and cigarettes for quick withdrawals. We'll break the ice to laugh it all away. Strangers in the tired light share the story of their lives as we make up a version of our own. Oh, what do you say? Forget the words of a later day. What do you mean? The world will stop as we spin our dreams on.
They haven't been lights for hours now, and currently the neighbor's gen is on, which is frustrating because I've been wanting to start vlogging. I wanted to talk to you guys. But anyways, I did my hair yesterday and I did my nails as well yesterday. I don't even want to tell you the time I slept off. Nepa frustrated the hell out of me. I really don't even know what's wrong with them this past 2 days. Anyways, how do you guys feel about my hair? I like it, I love it. I feel like it's a bit different from my usual because you know I love curly hairs and I can't remember the last time I've had a straight hair on. But at the same time, I've received a lot of compliments and I feel like this is good. I don't know if I told you, but I wanted my hair to rest. That's the reason why I did not do my previous hair, because I wanted that hair to be like my go-to hair, my comfort hairstyle, like whatever, because it's actually really easy to maintain. But the thing is that I didn't want to put any braiding extensions on my hair. That's the reason why I just did a regular sewing. I would have done wig, but I don't like wigs. So I did sewing instead, and that way my front hair will have to rest for like a bit. But at the same time, I still feel like, I don't know, I like the hair, but I'll say I'll give it a 7 out of 10 because I feel like I'm not used to it. Then the next one is my nails. I did it last night. Never frustrated the hell out of me. Like I started these nails by 8 p.m. when I came back from work, and I like in an hour time they took the lights. And I was filming, so they brought it around 10. Like I literally had to leave my work clothes on because I knew they were going to bring it later in the midnight. I really don't know what's wrong with it. I think something's spoiled because this is so unlike them. I knew they were going to bring it later in the midnight, so I wore my uncomfortable clothes throughout the whole, not actually throughout the whole night. They brought it around 10 by the way, and I finished my nails around 12. So it took me approximately like 4 hours to do this basic. I think it's because of the filing. And there's a backstory. Like I feel like I feel like I have a lot to share with you guys. Like there's a lot I need to talk to you guys. So this is going to be a long one. There's a backstory. This is why I have this red nails. First of all, I'm going to rate it because what do you guys think about it? Like I like it, but I don't actually, and I feel like it's the color and it's the shaping. I feel like it doesn't just fit my hand shape. Just let me know what you think about it. But personally, I not exactly like it. Like I still have to, I've been looking at my nails like I mean like this, like I don't know why, but anyways, initially, you know my go-to, I love nude nails. I love nude, and I don't mean this was in a nude color. I would have loved it so well. But the thing now is that they used my nail yesterday as an interview, to interview someone at my workplace, and like I could not just do the whole nails because I'm a braider and it's acrylic. They did these 2 nails and it was just so weird that I'll have just these 2 nails of acrylic and these 3 fingers will just be bare. Like in as much as I know I regularly just put this one, but like it's okay, it's weird, but like it's okay, I can let it. But come on, these 2 nails of full-on acrylic, not just like the nail tip that sometimes it can be transparent on videos, but like full-on acrylic. I knew I had to do it. So the nail tips I got when I got home, nail tips I got, it was white, and like even though I filed off the design because I don't like design on my nails, and plus I can't use it to braid, I wanted this plain. The nail tips, it was not, I don't know if you can see, like here is white, here is clear. I can't just use nude because it was going to show, so I had to use the only bright color I have, and that is red, and that's the reason why I have this. And I like it. It's cute and all, like from afar I love it, but like close up it's not. And I feel like I am a perfectionist. Like I love when things are perfect. I can spot the littlest mistake, and I know how to weigh myself down because of it. But I'm trying to love it. I like this maintenance. At least I get to do my nails. Like the positive side, I get to do my nails, and I also plan on filming a monthly maintenance. So yeah, that's it. It's all work according to my goal, because I didn't did my nails for the interview, then I wouldn't have done my. I think I would because I've always wanted to, but like I wouldn't have done these nails. But it's fine. I feel like everything just happened according to God's plan, because God knew how I wanted this my maintenance video to go. But anyways, that's it. I'm currently waiting for nails. My house, I see nails for NEPA to bring their lights. My house is in a mess. Like everywhere is so freaking dirty. My wardrobe, oh my god. And I'm debating whether I should film that, but I feel like it's going to be so overwhelming for me. But I really do want to film that, like film a day in the life. But there's currently no lights. I should just start cleaning the house without waiting on the lights. But I think my future self will regret it. I hate that I have to vlog every day, like Thursdays and Sundays, and now my regular vlogging days, and like just sometimes I don't feel like vlogging, but I have to be consistent. So, and I know that I don't have to just be using my emotions currently, because I know later in the day I'll be better and I'll regret not vlogging. So yeah, that's it. That's enough. I don't even have space on my phone safe, but I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Fake life everywhere. This is what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing to film. But it was a success. It was. I love it. I love it so much. I should be looking at this, not here. But I got to look at myself. You know what? I want to sleep. I want to what do I want to do? I want to edit first, because I haven't posted today. Then maybe when I have the chance, I'm going to wash toilets. I have arranged my wardrobe, by the way. I'm so excited about that. And yeah, that's it.
The wild winds blow through the empty pathways of my mind, and the rivers flow like the world has told them not to stop. Stand my ground, hear the sounds, take a breath and just let go. The leaves fall slower than they had ever.
There's no lights. Yeah.
Flowers bloom, the sunlight brightening up my room. Stand my ground, hear the sounds, take a breath and just let go.
I just came here for one thing and one thing alone, to show you my feet. I feel like it's now a routine for me. Let me take it down. see this dog before you go inside your video.
Oh yeah, say hi.
Hello.
She's off to the gym.
So go and sell.
This guy said I might get her.
And they look in that dog, they follow us. And they look in that dog, they follow us from back.
That's fun.
I feel like I'm always recording in the kitchen, which, well, anyways, I don't know how I look right now, but I am currently back from work. I came back early today, and I want to have my dinner. I just want to show you guys one of my favorite dinners to have, especially when I don't even want to be in the kitchen. Most of the time, whenever I come back from work, I usually get too tired to be in the kitchen. And also, why can't I just talk? Because I'm excited. I also want to show you guys my favorite drink. I don't know what I'm showing to you guys. Let me do it. I love this drink so much. I've opened this because I could not wait. But I said that I have to, let me wash this first. I have to have that while I'm taking my dinner. I don't know if I should use this cup or my cake. Ooh, I think this is cute. I'm going to use this. I'll use this. I don't know why I just store this. I'll be using this in a while. I feel like it won't be much again now that I've drank out all this stuff. I don't mind having this as a replacement to coffee because I'm not really a fan of coffee. Oh, but I love this. Even the smell. Oh my god, I love this so much. Sorry. Anyways, let me make my dinner and head to bed.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head. How the hell am I supposed to see? Can we both face our demons? Can we change like the seasons? I wanna make her better, wipe the makeup from her face. I wish I hadn't met her, I wish I didn't wanna stay. I wanna wear her sweater, and I break down in my room.